Hello again. Welcome back to the Investors Hub. Today we going to discuss step number 3. Today's video is on choosing your investment strategy. A crucial step on your financial journey. Choosing the right investment strategy is essential for achieving your financial goals. It involves understanding different approaches to investing and finding the one that aligns with your unique circumstances. There are various investment strategies to consider, such as value investing, growth investing, and income investing. Each strategy offers its own benefits and considerations. When choosing your investment strategy, it's important to consider key factors, including your investment goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. By understanding these factors, you can select a strategy that suits your needs. Let's explore some examples and case studies to see how different investment strategies have worked in real-life scenarios. This will help you gain insights into how each strategy can align with specific financial objectives. One crucial aspect to remember is aligning your chosen strategy with your financial goals. Ensure that the strategy you choose has the potential to help you achieve your desired outcomes. Understanding your risk tolerance is vital in selecting an investment strategy. Consider your comfort level with market fluctuations and choose a strategy that matches your risk appetite. Researching investment strategies is an important step. Take the time to gather information, access resources, and seek expert advice to deepen your understanding of each strategy's nuances. Remember, investing is a journey of continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends, economic developments, and investment insights to make informed decisions. As we conclude, I encourage you to carefully assess your investment goals, risk tolerance, and personal circumstances when choosing an investment strategy. Take action today and embark on your investment journey with confidence. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of choosing your investment strategy. May your financial future be filled with success and prosperity. Thank you for watching.